Yeah, so probably open longer hours in summertime, would imagine. Yeah, so I can see just our car left there. That's pretty much it.
Everyone else is gone.
Yeah. This week on Kelly's Travel World, we take a scenic 50-kilometer drive from central Melbourne to Smith's Gully in the beautiful Yarra Valley, where we check out the delights of Nillumbik Estate Winery. Fine food, fine wine, and a fun afternoon. So grab a coffee, sit back, relax, and enjoy. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi guys, welcome to Nillumbik Winery. So we have just sat down in this beautiful place. It's actually really cozy, and because it's Friday afternoon, there's not many people around, so it's only another table busy.
That's pretty awesome.
Yes, I just ordered salami pizza, and I also ordered pedal, which costs $15, and it's a selection of 3 wines.
Which 3 wines did you select?
Miss O's Sparkling Pinot Noir Chardonnay 2016, Yarra Valley, fine. Northern Hills Chardonnay 2016. They all seem to be from Yarra Valley, so. And Rosabella Rosé 2018.
That sounds good.
So yeah, very excited. See you soon. We're back guys, and my paddle just arrived. So this is how it looks, and it's 3 choices as you can see, starting from the lightest. So I've got the sparkling first, and then I have to have a look. Northern Hills Chardonnay next, and the last one is the strongest, Rosabella Rosé. So it's going to be really interesting. It's a very interesting concept because obviously of precautions, COVID, etc. They stopped doing wine tasting. So that's basically the choice we had, which I think is a really great idea.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good.
Yeah. So that's really nice. So you can just try it and do it at your own pace, sort of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So see you soon. Our salami pizza just arrived. So this is just pretty much the average size, I think. You don't have a choice of sizes, so this is just one size, and the cost was $26. Now just found out the Coke was $6.
That's a lot of money for a little bit of Coke, and it's not even a Coca-Cola.
Yeah, it's tiny.
Some Karma drinks. That's Karma, all right.
Familiar with that one?
Yeah, I'm not familiar with that one. No. You can tell us in the comments.
Yes, please comment below. And the paddle was $15, which is pretty reasonable.
Yeah.
For a selection of 3 choices of wines.
Yep.
Yeah, so we're gonna try it out. It looks good, and we'll let you know how it goes. Howdy guys, so just wanted to touch base on the wine that I had. Actually my favorite of the three was Miss O Sparkling Pinot Noir Chardonnay in 2016, and the bottle is $49. That one, that was really beautiful. The other one I had was Northern Hills Chardonnay in 2016, and that was $42. And the last one was Rosabella Rosé 2018, was $34. And you've got another two choices here. Stone's Throw Sauvignon Blanc 2018, that's $30, and Feu Rouge Loose Unwooded Chardonnay in 2017, and that was $36. But I haven't tried those two because there was only three choices that you could pick.
Yeah, there's so many options, but so little time.
But hopefully next time I can pick something from the reds. Pinot Noir obviously it's a favorite, I think, for many people, so it's a favorite of mine as well. So hopefully next time. Yeah, so the prices vary basically from, like, I can see from $28 to $49, which is really reasonable. Yeah, so I really enjoyed it, and we've ordered our dessert, and it's really interesting. So I'm gonna read it out maybe when we receive it.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah, it's chocolate pizza. So for a small one is $15, and for a large one is $25. But we'll show you when it comes.
Yeah.
Howdy guys, we're back with dessert. So usually we don't really go for a dessert, but here it just looked really special. So it's called chocolate pizza. So what it is, it's white chocolate and Nutella base, garnished with fresh strawberries, topped with ice cream and fair floss, lightly dusted with ice and sugar. So that sounded really amazing to me.
It's lightly dusted.
I was actually looking forward to the fairy floss, but I don't know if I can actually see it here.
Well, that little pink stuff there, maybe that's the fairy floss.
Oh yeah, oh okay, that's not much.
Yeah. Well, yeah, and it's got a light dusting of icing sugar. It's very lightly dusting.
It looks really delicious, so
yeah.
Looking forward to trying it out. See you soon. Howdy guys, we just finished our lunch at Nillumbik Winery. So it's located 1 kilometer from the CBD, from the city. So it's not too far, and it's a beautiful, peaceful location. We are so lucky today to film here because there's not many people around.
Yeah, it's a quite solid weekday.
Yeah, so we just only had like a couple other tables occupied, but they've already left. And it's nice and peaceful, and you can see all this gorgeous scenery. Just completely beautiful. Yeah, so hopefully we'll be back here again. So they're open till 7 o'clock. So I've got 3 sit-ins in the afternoon. They've got 2, and then they've got dinner from 5:30 till 7. Not too late, but obviously in winter time maybe it's shortened hours because it gets dark pretty quickly.
Yeah, I reckon so.
Yeah, so probably open longer hours in summertime. Yeah, so I can see just our car lives there. That's pretty much it.
Everyone else is gone.
Yeah. But it's really great. It is really great to have the place to ourselves.
Yeah, it helps.
We love it, yeah, because it just gives you a great opportunity to film and capture this gorgeous scenery.
Don't forget to follow me on Instagram on kellynicholas.au, where you can stay up to date on all my latest photos from our travels overseas and locally. Also smash the like button and subscribe to get notified whenever a new video is online. I really appreciate your support and kind comments. Thank you and see you soon.
Thanks for watching guys, and remember to like and subscribe. Welcome to Yarra Estate. Hey guys, we've done with our lunch and so yeah, just basically walk